Jungle.
Hello everyone, I hope you are well. Today I'm going to show you how to crack Internet Download Manager. The short meaning is IDM. So at first here you can see here I have a link and you can get this link in this description, and then you can go to this link, then enter. Then you can get a Google Drive link, and you can also download it easily in here. And when you will download it, and then you can go to your file. So I don't need to download it, I already downloaded it in here, and you can see. So at first you need to extract here, okay. Now this one, and you need to go in this link, and here have a IDM application, and you need to double click. And when you will double click it, then you need to install this application in your computer, and next, and this one is I accept, next. Now it's going to install in your computer. Now you need to crack this IDM, and you need to do it finish, and you go to universal crack, and here you can see application IDM universal web crack. Sometimes you can see here you should ignore this, okay, and you need to go IDM universal web crack before, and you should pause, and you can see here have lots of thing in this universal crack. You should on this option, backup IDM, and install this one and this one and also this one. When you will click this one, then you can see here you need to put a website address, anything. If you have any website or another things, if you don't have any website, you can write here www.facebook.com or youtube.com, anything, and then you can go ahead crack. When you will click it, then you need to okay, then your IDM has been cracked now. Then you can easily it in your lifetime. And you can see here IDM version 6.73 volt 15 has been successfully cracked. Then you can use this IDM your lifetime. If you like this video, obviously subscribe my channel and don't forget to bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.